Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. Today I am here again with a new tutorial of hairstyle. So today the hairstyle about 5 strand braid. So let's see how to create this hairstyle. This is very easy hairstyle. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to take a little bit part of your hair from front side, and now you have to part it into 5. You have to make 5 strands of it. You need a helper with you, or you have to say the girl sitting in front of you to keep the strand in her hand. So just say her to grab only 2 strands, and the rest of the 3 strands you have to start working with it. So first of all, you have to you have to take 3 parts of the middle part of your hair, then cross it over the middle, and then cross it over the middle. One step you have to do same as you do in your all hairstyles. So now you have to grab the front strand like this and then cross it over the middle. Okay, you are done with your left side. Now you have to do the same step with your right strand. You have to grab the right strand like this and then cross it over the middle. Like this, you have to grab it first and then cross it over the middle, and then again you have to do the same. You have to grab the left strand like this over the middle like this, and then you have to take a little bit part of your hair and add into it. Okay, so let's see again what we have done. We have to take the front braid like this. You have to take the right strand like this, grab it over the middle, and then add a little bit part of your hair into it. Okay, this is how your braid is going to be complete. So keep on following the steps. So again, let's see. You have to grab the front strand like this over the middle, and then you have to add a little bit part of your hair into it also. Okay, you have added little bit parts of hair into it. Now you have to start working with your right strand. You have to grab it like this under and over the middle, and then take a little bit part of hair, add into it. Now it's done. So this is how you will complete your 5 strand braid. You need a helper for this hairstyle because to work with 5 strands it will make difficult for you to handle 5 strands. So you have to keep a helper with you. So again, grab the front strand like this, add a little bit part of that side also into it, and cross it over the middle. Okay, now again we are doing the same step with the right side. You have to grab the front strand like this, and you have to add little bit part of hair into it also. So keep on following the steps and complete the braid. You have to keep one thing in your mind, that your strand should be left and right side. It should not be up in the air, because if you keep them up in the air upside in direction, so it will make difficult for you to clarify the real picture of the braid. So keep that strand left strand to left side and the right strand to right strand. So this is how you are going to complete your braid. This is very tricky but easy braid to make. If you get to know how to complete it, you will love this hairstyle. And this is the final look of my hairstyle. Almost I have done with the braid. So as you can see, a zigzag sections and zigzag pattern has been created on her hairstyle. So if you like the video, kindly like, subscribe and share my channel. And this is the final look of my hairstyle. As you can see, it looks like a very beautiful braid, and if you create it on your Eid and any function, it will look so beautiful on your hair. She went outside for to play with her friends, so it looked little bit messy, but it looks very beautiful if you create it on your hair. So do like my page and share it as much as you can, and subscribe my channel, and do comment me whatever else braids and hairstyles do you want to see. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.